All right, all right. So, oh. Why is it looking like this? Stop sharing. Let's do share desktop. Here we go. Perfect. That should be better now. All right, so welcome, guys. Welcome. So people should start to come in slowly. Let's do this while people are joining in. All right. Let me try to see here. All right. Sorry, guys. First time doing Forex talk over beer on Zoom, so I got some stuff that is not really working right now. So hopefully, I'm not even sure if sound is good. Can anyone confirm on the chat if sound is loud and clear? That would be great. Let's see. Perfect. All right, so sound is good. Perfect. Excellent. All right. Hey, good to see you, man. All right. How are you guys doing? Le débit binaire actuel du flux est inférieur au débit recommandé. Nous recommandons d'utiliser le débit binaire. Oh, so maybe there's a bigger lag with Zoom. So I'm sorry about that, but hey, it is what it is. So let's get going with this episode. It's gonna be a short one because we don't have a lot of trade to talk about. But yeah, I want to connect with you guys and I want to enjoy a little beer with you guys. So tonight we got this glass. You guys select this beer right now. So this cat is fucking around with the dogs right now. So this is a milkshake, mango milkshake IPA. So that's gonna be really interesting. So for the new people, welcome, guys. This is called Forex Talk Over Beer. So basically, I'm going to crack up a beer with you guys. We're going to have a drink. We're going to have a little chat. We're going to answer some Q&As. And yeah, we're going to break down some trades. So first thing first, let's crack up the beer. So, all right. Perfect. Oh, you can tell there's mangoes in there. Look at this color. Pretty nice. As you come in, guys, don't forget to smash this like button. Holy, this is pretty nice. I definitely smell mangoes. So I'm about to do a cheers with you guys. So what I want you guys to do is really simple, is snap a picture with your drink. So hopefully you're having a drink with me. If it's a glass of water, it's a glass of water. If it's juice, because maybe it's the morning at your place. I don't know. Maybe a drink, wine, shots, whatever you're drinking. So let's do a cheers together. Snap a picture, post it on Instagram, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. All right. So, all right, guys. So thank you very much for being here. Cheers. All right. Oh, really good. Really good. Let me just send a little reminder here on Telegram. Boom. FOTB live on YouTube now. Boom. All right. Completely forgot to send a reminder. All right, so that's actually pretty interesting. That's actually really good. Interesting. All right, guys. So let's talk about the trade. Let's start with what's up, Brody? What's up, Lucas? What's up, David? Yo, what's up, dogs? Rages. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? All right, so cheers. So we got a mango milkshake IPA, and this is pretty tasty. All right, so exciting news. We should get some. I'm gonna get all my merch Friday, so I'm excited. Okay, so now focus, Sasha, focus. All right, so let's talk about the loss here. Hold on. Let's start with this one. This one was on the 7th. Yeah, that was Monday. All right, so we had the loss here, and as you see, yeah, I know, man. I need Mike to beat the shit out of me because I forgot to label my chart. Shit. Oh, this problem is not fixed yet. So someone needs to tag Trixie or Magic Key in this story because yeah, I don't know what's going on with this. So yeah, I cannot do full screen, so I don't know what's going on with Trixie here. But hey, we're gonna go with this. All right, so here was the attempt on where was it again? Hold on, wait a second. Let me see. You know what? Let's do the one from yesterday. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna journal it tonight, and I'll come back with this. Let's do this. Yeah, I don't want to say anything stupid. This one I remember because that was yesterday. Okay. So yeah, this one was right here. Okay, so this one, oh shit, it pays the same chart. No, it was not on GJ, it was on GA. Okay, so let me go back on the chart then. Sorry, guys. Let me do this. All right, so let's go on here. It was here. Perfect. Okay, so basically it was right. What time was that? It was right here. 8:30. Yes, it was right here. Okay, so perfect. So this is the 30-minute chart. Perfect. So yesterday we had a zone right here. So I'm going to put it orange so it's a different color, right? So we had, oh yeah, now I remember correctly. Yesterday was a little, how can I say that? I had a feeling, yesterday, okay. There's two very good lessons for tonight, okay? Two very good lessons. So you guys are up for a nice little treat here. You know what's pretty crazy? I started the abbreviation for Forex Talk Over Beer. I know you are. Yes, FOTB. I think I'm going to do a t-shirt with that. FOTB, man. Yeah, you did that, man. So, Rages, cheers, man. If you ever come to Canada, man, I got a beer for you, man. All right. All right, so now let's talk some serious shit. No, nothing serious. It's Forex Talk Over Beer, right? Serious shit is for tomorrow morning. Okay, so now price came down here, came up, form resistance. You know, this was 6 a.m. So I was expecting price now to come down and start to melt, right? Because this was, if I remember correctly, let's do this right here. Whoops. And the drop is from here, right? Perfect. So we got this resistance right in the golden zone. So I was expecting price to continue down, but this candle, oops. Oh, let me close the other one here. Boom, should be good now. Okay, so anyways, so I was expecting price to come down. I can't remember. Oh yeah, because this one closed right here. Smaller body candle. It was 6 a.m. I wasn't ready to take the trade. I was still talking, explaining some shit. So I actually didn't took that trade. But to be honest, you know, I would have taken this trade, you know, right here at this entry candle. And I would have probably got a stop or, no, it didn't get stopped. So I would put my stop right here. But anyways, so this is not the trade I took. So let's get back to what we took. So price came up here and came back down. So now we were right at support. This candle closed like this at 7:30. So So it's like, all right, so if this candle start to break the support and break the low here, we can expect the New York Open volume to break it down. And oh well, it didn't. It didn't. And yeah, it just came back up. And if you remember, I talked about it in the stream. I said, nah, I'm taking it with small position. And the reason why is I have this weird feeling that we're gonna form this. Whoops. I said, and if you listen to the live, because it was live from yesterday, so I have a weird feeling we're gonna do this, and we're gonna shoot up. Oops. So we're gonna shoot up. And this is exactly what the freaking hell happened. So the lesson of this is this one. In trading, guts feeling is something, not if you're new, but if you've been spending time on the same chart at the same time, on the same pair, you got to listen to your guts, So my gut told me, you should not sell it. It's going to be a double bottom, going to push back up. You should not sell it. And I took the sell still, and I got, bam, slap in the face. So, yes. So this was my lesson. Got a loss from this one. And yeah, and the worst part of it is I actually gave that trade a second chance. Bravissimo, Sasha. So this was a pretty. So if you want to give your trade a second chance, okay, and this is exactly what I usually explain, and I went against what I actually say sometimes. If you gave your trade a second chance, you need a better confirmation. So to give my trade a second chance, what I was missing is a confirmation. So I needed a candle to close under this support. If I had a candle closing under that support, now I can take a dogtail setup or break and retest and sell it, right? But like, I don't know what happened in my head. And yeah, so anyways. So that was a L from yesterday. So, hey, I'm not hiding any losses. I'm being very transparent. I show you everything, guys. Cheers. All right, any question about that from yesterday? Should be pretty simple. And get your question ready, guys. Don't be shy. Ask any questions about Forex or non-Forex. It's Forex talk over here, but we can deviate a little bit. So now let's talk about this morning. Okay, so now let's talk about this morning. You guys ready? What time is it? Oh, we're good. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a short episode tonight. Hey, don't forget to smash this like button, man. We got over 20 people. We got 6 likes. What's up with that? Come on, guys. Smash that like button, please. That's the only thing I ask, man. I don't ask for much, okay? All right, so, yeah. So see what happened. We were all excited this morning. I was. I don't know about you guys, but I was pretty excited. I was like, finally, GJ's going to start trending. Oh, well. It was a short excitement. So basically, what I was looking at, oops, wrong side. Here we go. So what I was looking at is price during London session came up here and form a new high right here. So I was like, sweet. So I woke up and I saw this candle bearish. I was like, all right. So the only thing we need is for price to come down around this area, which is the golden zone area, and form support and retest this high and continue up, right? So that was my main plan. That was what I was looking for. This is my favorite setup. This is my golden setup. I was like, yes, 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 yes. And never happened. Never happened. So it is what it is, right? Price decided to freaking break the support and melt. So yeah. So now, is there a way that we can catch this move down? So that's a question. So that's a question some students asked this morning. And to be honest, I would not be giving this trade. I mean, what I want to say is there's no way I can take this trade, you know, and we need more live. Oh yeah, sorry guys. Yo, what's up, Nexa? What's up, KB? Need more live. Um, yeah, there's too many people trying to stream right now, so I'm just like, nah, let them having the fun. I prefer to spend some quality time with my students, right? So they invested money, and I want to give them values, right? Um, so anyways, let's focus here. So price came down here. Okay, so price came down here. So you can say, okay, if it breaks the low here, I'm gonna enter the trade. It's 8 a.m. Yes, there's some volume, but the problem is, I mean, you got this QP right there, you got this support right there. Just like you need a confirmation, right? So plus price was trending up. Price was trending back up now. Just like on the lower time frame. So I was like, okay. We should be good. We should be good to be back up, but no, it just smelled. So after that, you can say, okay, let me try to. Oh fuck, this is, man, this is GA. I knew it doesn't look like all the mess that we had right here. I was starting to look at it. I was like, wait a second. This is way cleaner than this morning. But this move up and the retracement down is actually the same move on GJ. So that's why they got me confused. Man, they look the same. Look, right here. So they look the same. I was like, wait a second. It was not that clean on GJ. Fuck. Okay, let's do this again. So price came up here. So same idea, I was expecting price to retrace in this golden zone, form support to push back up, right? So that was my gold setup I was looking for. Instead, the price came down, broke this zone here, which was the previous resistance right here, and came back in this range, broke this major QP, came back down. So now, same idea as GA I was talking about. If you want to take that trade, I mean, take that trade what? On the break of that low, and look at this mess here. So that's what I was trying to explain. I was like, wait a second, doesn't make sense. It's super clean on GA. But GJ, look at this. Man, you got this rejection right there. So, I mean, if you take the trade right here, you got what? 4 pips? You got 4 pips before the next support. After that, you got another rejection here, another support there, another support there. It's all messy. This is a range right here, right? So you cannot take a trade in here. It doesn't make sense. So let's say that now, okay, perfect. Now let's say you wait to break this. Okay, you wait to break this, but where's your freaking confirmation? So this, if you enter this, there was FOMO. There was no, or maybe you're trading on the 5 minute or the 1 minute. I don't know, but you got another support right there. So I mean, why? It's just like there's nowhere I can actually take that move following my own rules. So that is the thing. So you got to make sure you follow your rules. And following my rules and my setups and the way I trade, there's no way I can take that. I was actually looking at it. I was like, it might be a way that I can enter that kind of move next time. But with all that mess on the left, no way. So there was no safe way to take that trade. So it is what it is. So basically, I waited and waited and waited and waited, and finally, price came down over here, and look what happened. So price came down here. Now, if you look left, what happened last time the price came down over here to the same level? Bam, shoot up. Last time the price came here at this level, bam, shoot up, right? So I was expecting price to do the exact same thing. Plus, if you look on 1 hour, look on 1 hour, look at this. Last time we hit that level again, one big engulfing candle, and boom, we pushed up. One engulfing candle, boom, we pushed up. So I was like, look at this. One huge ass engulfing candle. I was expecting to boom to push continue up. But yeah, it is what it is, right? Oh, let me remove that second one. Yeah, okay. Let me remove this for 1 sec. So this is my I was looking to maybe swing trade here. I took a small entry at 7. Where was it? 7. Where's my line? The green line. Oh, here, this one. So this, oh shit, I just moved it. So this green line at 7:02, there is one of my entry for a swing slash intraday trade. But anyways, so we'll see where it goes. A very, 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 very small entry. Hey, cheers, guys. Oh, guess who's here? Mark the Stash, man. Cheers, buddy. All right. So your opinion on gold? Um, no opinion on gold, because I didn't look at the chart this morning. Thanks to good old Brexit for giving us move. Yeah, seriously, man. I missed that Brexit time. I was, you know what? One day, I was actually mad at Brexit. I was like, man, those fucking Brexit. I can't wait that it's done. But you know what? Now looking back at it, it was like, man, at least we had volume. You know that C word? You know, this pandemic was great for Forex. You know, so anyways, so let's focus. Anyways, so price. You know, so I was looking at taking a buy now. So I look at this, I was like, okay, perfect. So now let's go back on 30-minute. So what happened is price came here. We had this bullish candle at 9 a.m., but it was a small body candle. So I was like, yeah, that's effy, you know, just like, I don't really like it. It kind of closed right here, and we got this area. It's just like, yeah, I didn't like it. So I was like, let's wait. If we do break the high, though, let's say we go back down and we break the high, I may be interested to take in a buy, but never happened. So closed bearish, formed kind of minor resistance. I was like, okay, oh well. So this buying idea is dead. And suddenly this 10 a.m. candle closed engulfing candle. So I was like, all right. Because looking left, if you look left, look at this right here. Engulfing candle, boom, pushed up, right? Engulfing candle, bam, pushed up. So I was like, okay, wait a second. We're going to mirror this move again. So engulfing candle, took my entry right here at the opening of the candle, and I took a second entry right here on the retracement. So I used dynamic risk. And price went to 14.6 pips. And here, you guys ready? Here is the second very, very, very important lesson. You guys ready? Because this one, oh man. So usually what I do is I place my auto break even at 11 pips, and I place my partial TP at 15, close 90% or 80%, depending on how clean is the traffic, and let the rest run, right? So, all right, so that's what I did. So I got two positions running. So when price came over here, like at 14 point, it was 14.5 pips. My second position at this time is at 18, I think, you know, if I'm not wrong. And I was like, this is something I need to, how can I say that? Detach? No, kind of let go, you know, because I am magic key addicted, you know. So this is a real thing now. So if anyone want to tag magic key for this, I am definitely drug addict with magic key. That sound, I'm addicted to it. I just love the sound when I hit it. So instead of closing manually like anyone would do, I wait for that, you know, and price retrace down. And I was like, really? So anyways, so I should have, and I was talking to my students, I should close at least one of the two position manually, blah, blah, blah. And the volume was there. It was moving fast. It was moving back and forth. Everybody's, oh, there's volume. So I'm going to let it go, you know. It's going to hit it. It's going to hit it. So it didn't hit it. So what I did is actually finally close one of the position at 11 pips. I was playing games like a 10. It went back down to 8, 7, came back to 11, closed one of the position. And once this candle here broke the low here, I closed my second position. So close everything in profit. It was a total profit of, I think it was 17. I think it was 17 pips total, the two together. So, so yeah, it was still profit. It was still good. But this is something, guys, if you're TP addicted or magic key partial TP addicted, you're going to remove that, because something we need to understand is those TPs like those zones, support and resistance, they are areas. So it can be anywhere around it. So man, I gotta stop focusing on hitting that line. So if it get close to it and having trouble, fucking close it. Fucking close it. Especially these days with this market. I think what I'm gonna start doing next week, I'm probably gonna be closing everything. At around like 14, 15 pips. Probably gonna be closed for sure. One position, 11 pips. I know I said that last week. I actually did that for a couple trades, but today it was like super clean traffic. So I was like, man, we're gonna hit 15 pips, no problem. But man, these market these days really effy. So yeah. And to be honest, it's been a couple of weeks since I didn't have a good runner. So usually I place myself in a good spot to have a pretty good runner, and my runner are not running these days. So might be closing some trades fully. I don't know. We'll see. Hey, what's up, Yassine? What's up? What's up? Um, let's see. Bonjour la moustache. I like it. Um, all right. Magic key, ding ding sound, facts. Yes. Yeah, too addicted, man. Too addicted. And yeah, you know what? I'm a magic key addicted. So it is what it is. But this was a nice winning trade here. It's too bad it didn't continue up, but it is what it is. But now price retraced down in this golden zone, so expecting price to continue up. Looking at 1 hour, looking pretty nice. We got this nice engulfing candle that closed at 5 a.m. Eastern. And yeah, this thing should continue up right now. We got this thing right here forming support. And yeah, so now daily, we closed here bearish, but we are in this daily right here. If you look, because the main trend is still bullish, right? So the overall trend. So we are right in this daily golden zone right now. So now it's to find a nice entry, and you can hold it and swing trade it if you want. So yeah, so that was the trade from today. So that was two very good lesson, I think. Yeah, two very good lesson. All right, we're missing a couple likes here, guys. Come on. Oh, someone is not happy. Someone disliked it. Oh, sorry, dude. Maybe he doesn't like beer. It is what it is. Hey, cheers, guys. Rages. I learned that hard in March at a trade running $1,000 in profit, but I wanted my TP hit, end up reversing and closing at mine. Oh, yeah, no, that I will never do that. Because if you have a winning trade, man, don't let that trade turn into a losing trade. This is really important. I'm not talking about a couple pips in profit, like 4 or 5 pips in profit and now going down. I'm talking about like at least like 10, 9, 10, 11 pips in profit. Now you let that trade goes down. No, I wouldn't. No, man, don't do that to yourself, Rages, man. That hurt, man. That hurt. Hey, it's also gonna hurt your mental, right? It's gonna hurt your psychology, your confidence. So yeah, make sure you don't do this. Rip to that guy. Yeah, which guy? I can't remember. Which guy, Mark? Um, um, it's all instinct. If you feel if a price is reaching an area where you think will reject it off, close right away. Yeah, you're right, man. You're definitely right. It comes up to the first lesson of today was gut feeling, So again, very important. All right, so let's see. Do we have any question here? Do we have any question? Because that was the trade from today. Tomorrow we're going to be streaming at, I don't know, should I start at 5? Yeah, we're going to start at 5:30 because I didn't change my banner. So I need to fix this OBS shit. Never let a winning trade turns into a losing trade. Definitely, Mark. Will have secure some profit, maybe in leave small position at runner. You're right. Once you are in profits, put your stop to break even simple, no losses. Yeah, definitely. That's exactly what I do. I actually, with Magic Key, I put auto break even automatically at 11 pips. So as soon as my trade hit 11 pips, boom, all my positions at break even. Okay, I'll tell you, guys, you ready? I'm going to tell you the truth about this morning. Not the truth, but something I forgot to mention is when I entered my trade, I entered my 2 position forgot to place my partial TP and my auto break even. So what happened with Magic Key? Let me explain you. When you enter one position, let's say I enter my first position, I place auto break even at 11 pips, it's going to be a real 11 pips, right? And it's going to be a real 15 pips for my partial profits. But if I enter two position and I place my auto break even after my second position, it's going to be an average of the both, right? So when I saw that, I saw it was a little lower than my 15 pips on my trading view. So I was like, oh no, it's clean traffic. I'm going to hit that 15 pips. So my second position that I use dynamic risk is going to be probably 18 pips when it's going to hit. I want that 3 pip more, right? So I actually I moved my partial TP up by 2 pips, you know, because to match my trading view. Because I knew from my first position, I wanted to hit 15 pips. So my second position is going to be 18. So I kind of moved my partial TPs by 2 pips. And because of that, I didn't secure profits at 14.5, you know? So, bam, your problem, dude, my problem, you know? So, yeah. So again, this was stupid. And yeah, it is what it is. Oh, the guy who disliked, yeah, rip this guy, man. All right, we got over 30 people. Smash this like button, guys. Cheers, man. Don't forget to snap a picture, post it on Instagram, tag my name on it. I will reshare it, man. Let's see. Hey, by the way, I'm going to play Frisbee in 20. At 8 o'clock. I have a round with Gambit because we didn't play Sunday. It was way too hot for the dogs. So I'm going now after this beer. Hopefully I can score some good points with Gambit. I'm going to give you an update tomorrow morning. Yeah, hopefully it's not going to be too hot. It's getting better now outside. So yeah, should be good. Should be good. Hopefully. And tonight I'm trying my new shisha heat management and my new shisha bowl that I ordered from Shisha Nova. Whew, so anyways, let's see. Next question. See, gut feeling. Yeah, gut feeling. But hold on. Wait a second. I got to clarify something. Gut feeling and FOMO, two different things, guys. Okay? So if you say, oh, no, I'm taking this trade because I think of this and that, you still got to trade what you see, not what you think, right? But if your gut feeling saying, yeah, you know what, man, I see this pattern offer, and you know what, no, okay, you know. So that's what I'm talking about, gut feeling, you know. I'm not talking about FOMO, you know. I'm not talking about this because FOMO, you should never listen to your head when it says you, man, you should jump in that trade right now because it's moving. Hell no, shut the hell up. Okay, so very important, guys. Two different things. Got it? Oh, you know what? Tomorrow, what are we going to do? Spread the word. But tomorrow, if you show up on the live stream, I think we're going to draw 5 more access to the Zoom for the rest of the week and next week. Yes. So I think people actually appreciate that. We draw 10 people that had access this morning. I think they enjoyed it. I don't know if we have anyone that was on it this morning for the first time, but yeah, I think it was pretty fun. All right, so let's see. Any question, guys? Shoot the questions. Cheers, guys. You guys don't hear it, but there's some good beats behind me. Mark, are you having a beer at least, man? Mark, tell me you're having a beer. All right, no questions, so I guess I'm gonna be good to go. All right, I'm waiting for questions for 30 seconds. Let's see tomorrow. If y'all show up at 5:30 Eastern, free magic key for everyone. Oh no. Mark, don't start anything like this, please. This guy, man, he gets me in trouble every time. Can we do more replay challenge? That was great today. We will. Yes, we will, for sure. But only when we are in the private group, not on YouTube. Are you, Sasha, apart from training, but in general, are you okay? Oh yeah, definitely. Yes. Really, I'm super busy, but very, very happy. I'm in a place. I'm lucky. I'm opening to you guys. Um, I'm very grateful that man, perfect. Everything is good right now. It's just the wife is good, the house, the kid. I mean, the dogs. I mean, the work, trading, and everything is all together. To be honest, it's the first time in my life that for the past maybe 3 years ish, actually since I met that woman, maybe 4 years, 3 years ish, and yeah, everything got in place, and my life has been amazing. So I know it sounds maybe, I don't know, just maybe weird for some people. I'm not trying to brag, or I just feel so damn good, man. The only thing I need to still be working is on this belly, but all the rest, man, pretty good, man. I'm man, can't lie, man. It's just life is pretty good right now. So yeah. And I definitely, and the thing I'm the most happy about, I mean, maybe not the most happy, but the thing I'm really proud is build up this academy, and I was able to attract some really good people, man. We have an awesome group, and the people we have in our group, have to say, man, it's so tight. It's just like, man, this community is second to none, man. And this is the thing right now that drives me these days, is this community. I don't care if I lose a trade. I just want to make sure my student have success. And to be honest, seeing Roman passing his funding talent challenge, um, it got me so proud, man. So freaking excited about that. So that's the thing that drives me these days. It's just like, I don't even care if I blow an account. Just like thank God, never happened to me yet. I'm not planning to happen, but I wouldn't care. Just like, my goal is to make sure that these students have the right tools in hand, and be successful in this environment. So that's it, man. So yeah, man. Thank you for asking, though. What time frame do you trade? Mostly 30 minutes and 1 hour. Mostly 30 minutes and 1 hour. I never take an entry on 15 minutes anymore. I did that in the past. I don't do that anymore. Sometime when I do attempt swing trading, sometime I'll take an entry on 4 hour. Really rare. I'm gonna take my confirmation 4 hour. I'm gonna look on 1 hour for entries. That is for swing trade slash intraday. But mostly I'm gonna take my entry on 30 minute or 1 hour. Yes. Um, Drinking my water. Oh, really? Cheers, water, man. Hey, Mark, did you bought your shisha? Come on, bro. You got to bought your shisha, man. And definitely look at Shisha Nova, man. Freaking amazing customer service. Um, the Gulag loves you, man. Oh, thank you so much, man. It's nice to hear that, man. Thank you, Rages. The community is growing so good. Yeah, man. Our group is growing pretty. I was really impressed. Actually, I was looking at the numbers. I was like, holy, it's it actually passed my target for way more, right? So I'm really happy, man. Awesome, good for you. Thank you, man. A good woman will make your life better. Freaking A, man. Yes. Shout out to your girl. Behind every good man, there's always a wifey supporting hard. Oh man, see, she's definitely supporting, like, everything I do. She don't even second thought me, second guess me. She's full. Oh, she's all in with me, so it's pretty good. Happy to hear that. More blessing to you and your fam. Thank you, man. Um, Mark, come on, not yet. Come on, get in the program, bro. I've been trading for about a year now, and I'm not seeing a result yet. I'm thinking of looking for a mentor to help my journey. What do you think about not having a mentor? Okay, Lucas. So not having a mentor, it's doable. It's doable. Everything is doable in life. It's just gonna take you maybe more time. It's gonna be a little harder. It's the same, and I always use the same example, right? It's like someone tells me, I want to win the gold medal at, I don't know, downhill in ski. I don't know. You need a coach, right? You cannot learn how to ski downhill for your country and win the Olympic gold medals without a coach. That's impossible. It's just like you need someone to be there for you, behind you. It's like going to the gym, and trying to have result without anyone telling you you should do this, that, this way and this way and this way. You just show up at the gym, you go like this, and you go try to train. You're not gonna have result, right? You need to learn the proper way to train. So trading is the exact same way. I'm not saying your coach should be the person that makes the most money. I'm gonna give you another example. I don't know if you watch football, soccer, hockey, whatever. Is this coach always like, is all the coaches, is a coach that already won a gold medal somewhere or a trophy, or that cup? No, they're just really good at what they do. They're good at teaching, and they're good at sharing the information, right? So that's what you got to look for, and you got to look for someone that connect with you, and that match what you think, and that you're able to understand what he's saying, right? So and another example I'm always using, when I was younger, I was about to fail this math class, right? And that teacher, I was not understanding anything. I was just like, I don't know. I was trying, and it was not working out. And one day she had to leave for she was pregnant, so she had to leave for pregnancy relief or something. I'm looking for the word in English, but sorry. So, anyways, so another teacher came on, and suddenly everything clicked. It was the same thing he was teaching, but in different words. It was using different example, and that way it clicked, and I was able to pass that class. So I think trading is the same thing. So, anyways, someone clip that and send it to Sasha wife, let her know she's the alpha dog. Yeah, she will be actually happy. Bonjour Sasha, bonjour Cassim, what's up, man? Don't forget to smash this like button, guys. Um, is the wife interested in trading? Do you plan on teaching her? Oh no, she's not interested in it. She's not really interested. The kid though is asking a lot of questions. I showed him a lot of stuff, and we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, she's not really interested. I mean, she will listen when I'm telling her a story about a trade or something. I always talk about my students, right? So she pretty much know Kasim, she know Mark, she know Roman, she know all kind of people that interact with us. She know those names, But yeah, so um, that's great, man. Oh, thank you, thank you. I came on when you were talking about the belly. We need to change that name for the Forex Talk over protein shake. No more beer. Yeah, I know. Seriously. All right, guys. So I gotta go, man. I'm gonna go have dinner. Bought some nice little steaks there, and after that, I'm going frisbee with Gambit. We need to score some good points for the season, and after that, it's gonna be shisha time. So. I'm gonna update you on the quality of that product. But to be honest, that packaging, the product itself looks so nice. I can't wait to taste it. Taste it. I mean, try it. And see the difference in taste. But everybody told me that it's gonna be a huge difference. So, all right, guys, thank you for being here. I'll see you tomorrow morning for another live session at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. And tomorrow we're gonna draw another 5 people, 5 access for the rest of the week, which is like Friday, basically, and the rest of next week. So, hey guys, cheers to that. Thank you very much for being here. Oh, Forex Taco versus Shisha can be great. All right, guys, I gotta go, man. Take care, guys. Cheers again.